Hey guys, okay. Today we'll see how do we recommend people on the LinkedIn. First of all, let's understand why do we need a recommendation, right? So basically, what it helps. Let's say you have worked with someone else in your organization, and you really impressed with that person knowledge, or maybe you felt very good about that person. At the same time, he has helped you for your any career understanding as well as a technical understanding of some of the concepts, and you really impressed with his technical knowledge. Or maybe you have he might be a mentor you in your career aspirations as well. Or maybe if I think about uh, let's say you have been part of one of the, let's say, community where he has given some technical thoughts, and it has helped you to upskill yourself, right? So you just you have to just only give some appreciation that you have. Okay, what you like about that person, and how it help you in your careers as well as the all other aspects. So LinkedIn is a one portal where you can all the technical aspects of the anyone's career. You can write your sharings. So also, whenever you given recommendations to other person, what it helps, basically the person for whom you are recommending, right? It also help him the basically feeling appreciated, and he can do more. He can help other people as well, because it feels happy for that person. At the same time, it also makes some genuine profiles as well, right? So this is a genuine guy. With whom you have work, so profile becomes stronger as well as on the public domain, right? So it helps that person as well to get it highlighted in their future endeavors, right? So I'll give one demo. Let's take example. I want my own profile, and you want, let's say, I work with one of the person. Let's take example of Avni. So right. So what you can do, let's say, you can search that person to whom you want to basically give recommendations. Along with recommendations, I just want to highlight that one point since you're on this page. So what happens? Let's say I open this profile, and now let's say you feel that okay, that person has the some greater understanding, has skills. So there's something called the endorsement, where it gives you the, you can give just rating to that particular person. But okay, he has a good knowledge on the software development. He has a good knowledge on Java, right? So let's say I have worked with the Omni, and then I feel that okay, she does has the great knowledge, or maybe I appreciate his skills, so I can just endorse him, her basically, right? So as well as, so let's say she has worked upon the React very well, you appreciate it, so you can just endorse him, maybe JavaScript, right? So let's say I want to endorse him, her, so I can just appreciate here. At the same line, so this kind of kind of a ratings kind of thing, and the same time there's something section called as, if I go up little bit, go down, there's something called as a recommendation. So recommendation is like your review, like kind of thing, right? So when you, let's say you buy some order from the, let's say, Zomato, right? So, and you like their services, and what you recommended, right, to other person, so that other person will get benefited, right? So this is similar way here, is a recommendation. So let's say I want to give, sorry, some recommendation to Avni, right? So what I can do, I can just give recommend to Avni. Click on the evening. Now what kind of relationship that we have had with Avni, right? So maybe I was senior to Avni, maybe she was mentoring me, maybe I was working with him as a senior or junior, right? I was working on the same group, same project, maybe I was on a different company, but I know how she is, right? Maybe she was client for you, maybe I have taught to the Avni something, right? I mentored Avni, you Avni studies together, right? So similar. So let's say take example, let's say I am working with her in my same group. So maybe I can say you work with Avni in the same group. Now, what the position at that time? When did you work with them, right? So maybe let's say when I was in Credit Suisse, I work with. So you can write recommendations, right? So what you are impressed with her, what is the knowledge she had, right? So, and how do you feel about that person basically, right? Especially on the technical side, as a overall personality, how it is, right? So all the recommendation we can write here. So like example, let's say I had already given the recommendation, right? So what I can give, so just go to this one, I'll go to my profile, click on my profile, and let's say if I want to see to whom I given the recommendation. So you can see here I given the recommendation with this one, right? So whatever I felt about this personality, right? So I given the recommendation, right? So this will be like this will helpful for Avni as well. And okay, someone is appreciating, giving the real feedback. She definitely will help for Avni to whenever some recruiters reach out to you, they will check the profile. Does it have really authenticity authorities as well, right? It creates authority, and for me as well. Basically I'm appreciating that knowledge that I have worked upon it, right? So it's like sharing each other appreciations with each other, giving the feedbacks to the people to with whom you worked. So that is what I would like to highlight. So I think, yeah, go ahead and you share your knowledge and share your feedbacks to the people with whom you have worked, and you whenever you feel that okay, I have gained something from that person, and I would like to Lord appreciate with some kind words, right? So that is what, and whatever, and not only positive words, but if you feel that okay, so there's something negative, you can definitely post. There is no one is going to force you to write only positive feedback. Whatever you feel, just write it, and that will help. So yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. Thank you.